everyone, it's Maureen. I want this to be my intro. Welcome back to my channel. Damn, you're such Today we are going to be unboxing an Amazon iPhone 11 Pro Max case, which has been laying in here on my floor and I have not unboxed it yet, so we will unbox it today. Oh, before anything else, I would like to congratulate all the winners of my giveaway, and I have contacted you. I won't mention your name. You know who you are. Congratulations and good luck to the other people that has not won this giveaway. There's gonna be next time. I would like to mention that this cases is from Amazon and the company is called G-View Win. G-View Win. So I'm just gonna put the name right here so that you guys can read it yourself, because I myself cannot read it. Without further ado, here is unboxing of the G-View Win iPhone 11 Pro Max cases. So here is the box. There's a lot right here. I'm expecting that there is an iPhone XS Max case on this one, because they sent this before I got my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So here it is. Got this open right here in the center. Oh my god. Scary. Love the packaging. I love it. Oh my god. If you think that it's an Amazon seller, it's usually just like a common like packaging, like those bubble wraps, but this one is really pretty. Look at that. I just got excited right here, because you know this girl gets so excited whenever unboxing stuff, especially with a really nice packaging. 4 Pro Max right here, and there's 2 iPhone XS Max. So we're gonna pick one right here and we're gonna unbox it. It seems like this is recyclable because it's really lightweight. I'm gonna show you closer. They have a please open right there for a buyer to know where to open first. Don't know if this is the XS Max or the Pro Max, but we will see how it looks like. Here's the first one. It is a flowery case, and it seems like another thing right here that you could put, I guess, on the case. And under there is a paper that says, wow, yeah, oh my gosh. They have this letter right here that says they are very thankful that you purchased the G-View Win product, and also your happiness deserves to be shared. So that's really nice too. I love it. Something to read while you're unboxing your stuff. I think for the packaging and for the effort of writing those informations right there telling you thanks for buying their product is really nice, and it's very important when the seller, especially on Amazon, it is very important when they show that you care about your buyers, especially when they receive their products and it's really nice packaging. Really good, and that would bring them so much buyers because of this presentation. Do you hear that? It is really soft and flexible. It is a TPU ultra thin shockproof transparent bumper. If you love flowers, get this. It's a transparent case that has flowers. I think this is flowers right there. You can see that the sides are really safe if you drop it. I think even if it's really thin, it will help protect, and also the sides is super soft. Oh god, no, stop calling. They're really soft, which I already tested it a while ago, and this one here is super soft too. Not really super, but it's just enough when you press it. My favorite song right now is, that's the volume, and that's the volume down, volume up. Easy screenshot right there. Well, this is, I guess, a fall color. It's scratchy right here because there's like little bumps, but that would help you to hold your phone really well. Yeah, that's the first case. Flower. I'm gonna attempt to put this lanyard on. I got it. Test it. Here you go. That is the case with the lanyard. So I think it's really convenient to have this lanyard with the case. So the second one is going to be this case right here. And again, there's a lanyard in here and the paperwork under the case. I don't know what kind of flower this is, but yeah, it's just a flower with pink, baby pink, and a fuchsia pink, and a green leaf right there, and something like gray or blue. So yeah, that's the second case, and we'll put it on our phone. And here you go. Kind of a slippery feel right here at the back. There is this scratchy bottom that you can hold your phone really well to avoid dropping it. Now the third case is going to be, have the lanyard and the paperwork right under. This might be a rose case. It's just a transparent case with flowers again. There you go. Bottom is covered. And there's the soft button down and button up. Fourth case is going to be a marble case. Same thing with the lanyard and the paperwork. Oh, this is for iPhone XS Max, by the way, so I can't try this. You can actually flex it. Very flexible. And then the sides is kind of soft. Fifth case is going to be for iPhone 11 Pro Max, and lanyard and paper. It's kind of nice. Get you closer. I love this case. Oh my god, it's so cute. Transparent. It's pretty. I love it. Super. This one feels kind of grippy, not really that slippery at all. Take a screenshot. There you go. Let's play a song. Volume up, volume down. The top has a cover and the bottom has a cover. Blurry right there. Super nice. Okay, the last case is going to be, I think this is for iPhone XS Max. And again, a lanyard, and this time this is a black lanyard right here. And a paperwork. No, wait. There is a extra one here. This is kind of fun. See, there's a paperwork. There is a lanyard right here. And then another one. There's an installment diagram here where you can combine ease and style. This is the case right here. It is just a green marble, like so. Super thin kind of case. I forgot that this is for iPhone XS Max. I don't know what this is actually. So there is a screen protector. There is another protector right here. You can add it in here just to add for safety. I don't think this fits. It doesn't fit. No, it doesn't fit. But whatever. If I have the iPhone XS Max, I would try this, but I don't have it, so this is a plus right here for 15 bucks. So we'll put it back, but I love that they have this is the stick film installation tools, which I don't want to open because I think, yeah, this is for iPhone XS Max. The G-View and Amazon seller, they're really affordable. It's only 15.99 bucks. So everything will be down in the description box if you guys want to check it out and would want to own one, which is really cool. The flowers, the fall flowers, affordable fall colors. If you love flowers for the fall and for the winter to give your life a colorful winter. I hope you guys enjoy your Halloween. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Halloween day and night, and I'll see you soon on my next one. Bye!